guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha, and on today's video I decided to share with you guys how to get this beautiful summer glowy fresh makeup look, perfect for those hot summer days. And if you guys have oily skin, and if you guys are like me, every time you hear glow you're like, I don't really want to glow this summer because I already do naturally. But today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I still can get to glow and look all dewy, but yet my makeup lasts all day long. So if you guys are interested on how to achieve this look, then make sure you guys keep on watching. But before I let you guys go, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you guys enjoy makeup tutorials and if you guys want me to do more, then make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and leave me in the comments below any video ideas you guys like to see from me next. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into it. So like always, my eyebrows are done. You guys already know I take like 10 years to do my eyebrows, so I decided to do them off camera, and here I am. We're gonna go ahead and get started with our face today. I know it's weird because I always get started with my eyes, but today our eyes are gonna be really fresh and simple, so we're not really messing with too much eyeshadow, so it's okay to do our face today. I'm gonna go ahead and start off by priming my face. I'm taking my Fenty Beauty primer. This is the Pro Filter Matte Primer, and I'm applying this all over my face, or pretty much everywhere I have pores, which is pretty much my whole face. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. Alright, so once we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. Today I'm gonna mix two foundations because why not? So I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. This is in the shade 220 Natural Beige. And then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Light Tan. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two foundations and apply it all over my face. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything in with my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush. I now have a coupon code with Sigma, which is super exciting. So if you guys want to save some money on Sigma Beauty, make sure you guys use my code at checkout, which is only my name, so Taisha at checkout, for some money off. After I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and take just a beauty sponge and just make sure everything's completely blended to take any excess product. One of you guys told me to do this on my last video, I believe, so I'm trying it out, and honestly it does work. It makes it look less cakey and just way more blended. So once we're done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and take two concealers. I'm gonna take my KKW concealer in the shade number 5, and then I'm taking my ColourPop Nofilter Concealer in the shade medium 26. So I'm applying this under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead area, Cupid's bow, and then the ColourPop one, it's a little bit darker, which makes everything look more blended, I guess you can say, because the KKW, it's a little bit more yellow. This one's more, a little bit more like pink. And to blend everything out, I'm going to be taking my Sigma Beauty Blender. It comes with like a little, I guess, paper that tells you what each side is for, which I really like. So I'm just going to go ahead and try this out for the first time and see how it blends. I like how it has like a little corner right here because it's perfect for my inner corners. And then once I'm done with that, I'm taking my KKW powder in number 3 and setting my under eyes with this. And then for the rest of my face, of course, you guys already know, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade medium and setting the rest of my face. And you want to make sure you press everything in your face, especially if you have oily skin in the summer. It's just gonna make sure your makeup stays on the whole day. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and put my hair up. It's just too hot in this room to have my hair down. I'll put it down later on the video, but for now, it has to go up. So what we're gonna do next is bronze up our skin, because you guys already know it's summertime. We need that bronze going on, we need that glow going on. So I'm gonna be taking my Benefit Hoola Bronzer and my Sigma F37 brush. Pretty much applying this all over my face, creating some cheekbones, hiding this double chin that I have going on. Alright, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking the Beauty Crop Blush Duo. They sent me a bunch of their things and I'm so excited to try them out. This is a cruelty-free makeup line for everybody that's sensitive to makeup, have sensitive skin, sensitive eyes, all that good stuff. This company is going to be the best for you. So this blush duo comes with the cream side and a powder side. I'm going to be taking the powder side, and I'm just going to be taking the same brush we used to contour our face. Look how pigmented, you guys. You guys have to be really careful. And then to add that summer glow we all love, I'm gonna be taking the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. This is infused with coconut oil, which I love anything that has coconut in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some in the back of my hand first. And then dot this all over my face. I feel like this is the best way to add like that summer glow without adding too much powder, because I know not a lot of people like using powder. So this is perfect for anybody out there. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some on my body as well. This is just perfect for the summertime. It's really light, it doesn't feel heavy at all. And again, it gives you that summer glow we all love. Alright, so you can pretty much leave it like this as it is, but if you have oily skin like myself, I'm gonna go ahead and set it. I'm taking my Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set everywhere I put this liquid highlighter on. And I feel like this is a really great way to make your highlighter 10 times more intense if you guys are into that look, and who is not gonna be into that look, especially for the summertime. So pretty much we have our glow going on. What I'm gonna do now is contour my nails really quickly, and then we should be right back to finish up the rest of our makeup. Okay, so once my nose contour is done, hopefully you guys can see the difference, we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna be taking the Beauty Crop Express Yourself eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started by taking Caramel Latte, and I'm taking a Morphe M535 brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over my crease. This is such a pretty, perfect transition shade. This is such a pretty shade. I'm in love. And then after that, I'm just gonna take Pumpkin Spice with the same brush, and I'm pretty much just applying that in the outer corners. And to add some glow to my eyes, I'm gonna be taking this eyeshadow primer by Sigma, which is in the color Bubbly, and I'm gonna use that as a base, just like that. And then on top of that, I'm gonna be taking Vanilla Latte and Strawberry Cream. I'm just gonna use my fingers for this. This is such a pretty palette. I really like these two shades combined. Alright, so I'm moving on to apply some liner, which I never do, but I wanted to do it for this look. So I'm going to be taking the Beauty Crop Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner. I really like the names for this whole brand and the packaging and everything. I love when companies have really good, pretty packaging. It just makes me feel like they actually care. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes. Okay, and then to blend everything out, I'm just going to be taking Raspberry Mocha Kiss, and I'm just going to apply that on top of it so it's not too harsh. Alright, so once we have our makeup looking like this, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm going to be taking the Fabulous Flocking Lashes Mascara by the Beauty Crop. I love how everything, it tells you what it has. I really like that. And look at the packaging. Look how pretty. This is a waterproof mascara because, again, it's summertime, it is hot, and I'm telling you guys, everything pretty much melts off my face. And then once I do that, I'm going to apply some lashes. I'm going to apply the Salon Perfect Lashes in 615. I haven't used this in a long time, and they used to be my go-to lashes, so I'm gonna do that, and then I should be right back. Alright, you guys, so the lashes are on. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the lower lash line, and I'm pretty much just gonna do what I did to the top to the bottom lash line, and then I went ahead and applied Flat White and Shy. I feel like that's what it's called, and I'm applying that in the inner corners, just like that. Alright, so once we're done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. I'm taking my NYX Brown Lip pencil. This is like my favorite thing to do because this is where I overline my lips. And then I'm going to be taking my Beauty Crop Lip Brulee High Shine Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Salted Caramel. And then last but not least, especially for all my oily skin people out there, set your face. I'm going to be taking my Skindinavia The Makeup Finishing Spray, the Bridal Edition. Alright, you guys, so this is a finished look. It's really glowy, really light on the eyes, a nice glossy lip, perfect for the summertime. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and trust me, this makeup is gonna last you the whole day or the whole night, whatever you're doing. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know you guys enjoy makeup tutorials so I can do a lot more for you guys, and also leave me any requests on the comments below. And if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. But yeah, you guys, thank you all so much for taking time of your day to watch this video, and I'll make sure to see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.